So this device enables me, as you can see, to crochet or knit like this without the extra stress of having to hold the yarn. As you can see, I'm just working away very merrily, and I'm not having to hold the yarn in my fingers, and all the tension is done for me by making use of this device. So I just wanted to show you what this device is and how it works. Basically, I just wanted to show you. I purchased it from Amazon. It's known as a finger ring. It can be used for knitting as well as crochet, and all I did, like if you look at it, it has one end that's a little bit thicker than the thinner end, and I placed the thinner end towards that way. I placed the thicker end towards the out way, and I just pushed a tiny bit of the yarn there, and then I just wind it in. So wind it in like that. Okay, and then I wind it the same way in like that, and then I'm good to go. Some people use it on like this finger, but when I usually do crochet, I always tend to hold my yarn here. So for me, preferably, it sits here, and I also turn it to the side like that.